Okay, so let's go ahead now and add some content and create our post. Now the first thing we want to do is to name our post, so I'll just name this test post, and I've already prepared some text to add. This is Latin, so if it doesn't make any sense, don't worry about it. It's just for us to have some text to play around with. And I mentioned you'll be able to edit the text in the WYSIWYG editor in a similar way that you would edit it in any word processor such as Microsoft Word. So you have the option to bold, add italics, strike throughs, and if you notice, if you just put your cursor over the icons, it will tell you exactly what it does. So you can add an unordered list, an ordered list, block quotes, align, left, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and we have a button here that says show or hide the kitchen sink, and pressing this button would either remove or add that second line of options. Okay, which would give us additional styling options such as adding paragraph tags, heading tags to style our text. So very quickly, I'm just going to go and just highlight some text, make it bold, highlight some more text. Let me undo that. If I wanted to make this entire line a quote, then highlight these block quotes, and last but not least, let's add a link. So if we highlight the text and we select this button here that looks like a chain link, and then we just put the destination that we want our link to go to. You can name the link for your own purposes, and you have the option to open the link in a new window or tab, which I like to do, so that visitors can easily get back to my site if the link is an external link. And all you have to do now is go over and select publish. But of course, as we mentioned, you could put excuse me, you could put your post in a category. I created 2 other categories just while I was testing, but I'm just going to add this post to the uncategorized because that was our default category, and I won't add any tags or featured image, just so that you can see exactly what the post would look like. And I'll hit publish. And just a few quick things. You would have seen the URL for this post would now include the name of the post, which is why the name is so important. And if you wanted to change it, you could just select edit. For example, if the name of your post was very long and it created a long URL, you could just shorten it. But in this case, I'm going to leave it as is. You just select OK, and I'm going to go ahead and view the post. Okay, so there's our post with our styling, bold, our quotes, and our link, which if we click it will go to the destination that we had put in at google.com. Okay, it's taking some time to load, but there you go, Google. Okay, now if we go back to our site and we just select visit site, actually let me do this from dashboard, select a new tab, wp-videosidekick.com, select enter, and it's still showing our original post. Maybe it's because I'm still logged in. Okay, let me open up another browser, go to our home page, and there you go. There's our new post. And as you can see, the previous post, which was hello world, now appears below our new post. And that's what will happen to new posts. The more and more posts you create, then they will fall down in the order. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will look at creating pages next.